Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you're all doing well. Check out these 5 applications. I can almost bet that half of you have probably never seen them before. Maybe more than half. And that's okay, because these apps are not available in the Amazon App Store. You want to learn how to get them? You can get some movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports all in one spot. Check this out. First thing we need to do, on our home screen, in our Amazon Fire TV stick, head to the find icon, the magnifying glass here, come down, type in search. We're going to type in downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader comes right up. It is this orange icon here I have highlighted. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to reinstall it, but get it, download it, and install it. Once you have it installed, head to the home screen. And while we're at the home screen here, head all the way to the far right, the settings icon with the little cogwheel there, my basketball player. And we can come down to My Fire TV. Highlight My Fire TV and use the select button to select it. Now here, I have developer options listed, and you may not. And don't worry, I'm going to get it on your device right now. Highlight About, use your select button to click on it, and then have Fire TV Stick, or if it says Firebox or whatever, highlight it. Use your select button, click it about 7 times, and that says congratulations, you are now a developer. Mine says no need, I'm already a developer. So head back 1, and then developer options will be highlighted. Now guys, if I'm going a little too fast, please push the pause button while you're watching this and stay up. Now, highlight developer options and click on it. You have ADB debugging. I have it off. You can turn it on. It doesn't make a difference for what we're doing today. And then we have install unknown apps. So we're going to click on that. Now here I have a bunch of apps already highlighted or available. But we just need to worry about a downloader. So it's currently on for me because I use it. So now I'm going to turn it off and then turn it back on. And yours is currently off. So please turn it back on, or turn it on. And this will allow Downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. We've just jailbroken our Fire Stick. One little setting. It's no longer jailbreaking. It never really was. Let's go back to the home screen and figure out how to get all these awesome apps. So hit the home button on your remote. Now I have Downloader highlighted here with all the other applications in the shortcuts field. Let's get you set up like that too. To do that, highlight the 3 square plus sign, click on it, and here it'll have all the applications that you have currently installed on your device. Downloader would have been the last app to be installed. So I'm just going to put Downloader where yours probably is right now. So your Downloader is probably way down here. So use the 3-line button on your remote. Highlight Move or Move to the front. I'm going to highlight Move to the front. And boom, Downloader will be now placed in the first spot of your shortcuts bar. Now when we go back to the home screen, there's Downloader. Pretty simple, eh? Let's open up Downloader and see how to get these applications. Now Downloader will ask you permission to access media files on your device. Say allow, and then it'll be a quick start guide and say OK. Once you're at this screen, please click up into the search box, click on it, and we're going to type in a quick shortcut. So 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. That's 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. This will head to our Led by the Unknown website. So you can either type in that or ledbytheunknown.com. And we're going to hit go. Now guys, once we get into the good stuff, you're not going to care about me anymore. So please share this with a friend. Sharing always helps. Now once the 5-second redirect is completed, use the 3-line button on your remote and add this page to our favorites. So we can click on that and save it. I already have it saved, but that's okay, so I'm just going to say cancel. And once you've done that, on the left bar here, we have favorites highlighted. And we can then click on our favorites bar and have it bring it up. Dog barking. So head on down a little bit. Now we can hit the, if my face pops up here and there's a download page, you can click on it, or the little 3 lines on here. Oh, there we go. So here's the download page. Click on that to get to it. And once we're on here, guys, we can head down. There's videos. There are some tutorials, top 10s, whatever. But let's get these 5 applications that the puppy's not happy. Let's find these 5 apps for us to share. So head on down. And here the first app under live or under movies and TV shows, HD. It's been around for a bit and it works amazing. We can come on down, look for the installation file. So click on the highlighted, and there's backups just in case. So click on it. It'll bring up to install. Click install. Takes a couple of seconds here. It's most likely because I already have the app on the Fire Stick. So I may screw up the whole video just because of the app's already there. We're going to hit done. Let's delete the installation file and delete, confirm. Then we can hit back. So we're back to the downloads page. And the next one is on here. Click on it, same thing. Do you want to install? Yes, let's install. Down on the bottom right, install. Once it's installed, give it a moment, and then we'll hit done. And delete the installation file, yes, and confirm, delete, yes. Now we can back out one. I think I backed out too far. I did. Oh, there we go. So we got 2 apps for movies and TV shows. Here's 2 apps for live TV. This one's on fire, folks. Download the file. We're going to hit install. Wait a moment, hit done. Delete the installation file, and yes, delete. So then back out one. And then this one's net. Check it out. And here we have Android or Amazon devices. So click on that. And guys, if you have an issue with one of them not maybe downloading the application, hit it once or twice, back out, go back in. Sometimes it does it, I don't know. Does it even for me when I've just fresh installed everything. So hit install. We'll click done. Delete the installation file, confirm or delete, and back out. One last application. Here for sports. It's on fire. And we've got the latest horror backup for the files to install. We'll hit install. And of course hit done. Delete. Yes, repetitive. Delete. Now we got the 5 best applications for you and your Fire Stick. If you want to go further down on that download page, please check out the other applications. FYI, there may be some adult-oriented apps for you. Let's go back to the home screen and see what messed up. So we've downloaded a bunch of apps. And this did do it again. Not sure why, but I believe because I've double downloaded everything. It doesn't like that. That's okay. So what I'm going to do first, if you get something like this, guys, no worries. Best bet to do, unplug your Fire Stick for like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up to 10 seconds would help. Clear some cache. Clear some RAM. Plug it back in. Ooh, that was weird. Never seen it flash purple before. Let it load up. Like I said, guys, please share this with a friend. You have any questions, reach out. Just had one friend actually email me over the weekend, said something wasn't working. I gave him a little tip, a little option for a backup, and back on his way. So I'm available to help. And it still didn't work after that. So what I'm going to do is head over to the 3 squares plus sign. And folks, this is like, your apps aren't going to be where mine are when you first load them up. So you probably won't have this problem. So I'm going to put YouTube, move it to the front. I'll put Prime, move it to the front. I'm assuming that the reason this is happening is because I've double downloaded, actually I think this is my 3rd attempt now, over top of the original files. And it's probably just kind of screwed everything up a bunch. So I just want to get these files out of, as you can tell, they're not even moving. Get these files out of the queue of the shortcut menu. I'm going to hit to the home screen after I've done that. Give it a few moments. Because the apps are there. Like it's not like they're not there. They are there. They're working. I don't know what happened if I tried to uninstall on this one. See, the logo's there. There we go. See, you just got to give it a couple minutes and away we go. So, for my order, from best to worst, out of the 5, 6 apps that we've downloaded, I'll probably do it like this. This is kind of how I would set it up on my shortcut menu. The last 3 I don't use very often unless there's something wrong with the first 3, if that makes sense. But that's how I would set it up. Under my application, I would hit the home screen and everything's there. So I'm assuming there's just something when you download something over top of it. Most of my videos I just do it right from scratch, but I figured this one would be a little easier. Anyways, let me know what app is your favorite. Let me know an app that maybe I don't have listed and maybe we can get it on there. All right, enjoy, peace, take care.